Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am following Vogue Beauty Secrets Lori Harvey's makeup tutorial. I'm so excited they finally put Lori on there. There's finally a Lori Harvey tutorial that I will follow, so I really hope I also come out, you know, looking effortlessly flawless and everything, such as Miss Lori Harvey's everyday look, darling. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on my channel. Do hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Ring that notification bell as well so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get into this video. So I'll be watching on my laptop over here.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Lori Harvey and I'm going to walk you guys through my skincare routine and my everyday day to night makeup routine. I'm going to start with my cleanser.
So in any case, as you guys know, I've done a video like this before. I'm going to skip right into the makeup section of things.
Moving on to makeup. So first, I like to use this Laura Mercier hydrating primer, and it also has SPF in it. My best friend is a makeup artist, so she taught me this little trick. I'm gonna take this little brush and I have my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this all over my face first. It just really makes my foundation go on super smooth and flawless and just have no pores. It lasts all day. I'm gonna set it, and now we are ready to apply foundation. I'm gonna use these two Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundations and mix them. I like to mix it with a Q-tip. So it all blends together. I like to use this Fenty Beauty Match Stick to do my contour. I wet my beauty blender a little bit. So kind of just give my face a little bit of definition. So on a really good skin day, if I'm just trying to run out the house, I'll just do a little bit of concealer. I like to use Biscuit because it's closest to my skin tone when I don't have anything on my face. And then I like to use it and ginger under my eyes just to like brighten up a little bit. I love a bright under eye. Next is this one. I'm gonna go back to this Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've tried a million different setting powders and this is my favorite. So it is just tried and true. So I have my Kelly Baker brow palette. Kelly is the only person that I trust to do my brows. I have had some real horror stories when it comes to my brows. I used to just I'm gonna take this little brow pencil and go in a darker shade and just kind of fill in the edges a little bit, just where it's like a little bit thinner. To really define them, I use this little tool right here, and then she has almost like a little concealer pencil. So I'm gonna take the pencil and I kind of just go across with the brush like that, get some product on it. The last step, I like to do eyebrow gel. obsessed with eyebrow gel. But before I do that, I'm gonna blend my powder right here. I first got into makeup watching my mom when I was younger. She would always get her makeup done, so I literally would just sit and like stare at her and like the makeup artist while they were doing it until I literally learned how to do it myself. And then also my best friend is a makeup artist, so I'll just, when we're together, I'd be like, show me how to do this or teach me this technique. So, and then also when she would see me do my makeup, she'd be like, that's wrong. And I'm sure she's probably gonna watch this video and be like, that was wrong, but whatever, it's fine. So next, I'm gonna do my bronzer. I like to use like 3 different brushes when I do my bronzer because I don't know, I just feel like it gets the job done. So I like to use this one first. It's like angled and it like gives me that little angled contour look that I like. Really don't know how to contour my nose. So I kind of just go along the edge like that, and I feel like it gives it like a little extra definition. Maybe it doesn't, but in my mind it does. So I actually like to go over that bronzer with this Urban Decay. I have this Urban Decay Naked Eye Palette. Get a little bit. I'm just put it all over. All my sisters are like 10 plus years older than me, so I really grew up in the house with my brothers. So they used to get really annoyed with me because I would always take forever. And I remember one time I was getting ready in a dark bathroom, and this was before I, knew that if it's darker, don't do your makeup so heavy because you can't really see what you look like. So because I couldn't see it in the mirror, I was doing more until I could see it. So next, I'm gonna take this little brush right here, and I'm gonna go and do Cayenne to just give, like right here, a little bit more definition. So I'll just do a little brown eyeshadow on my bottom lash line. So I have lashes on right now, so I actually am not gonna do mascara at all. So we're gonna go for a little bit more of a bronzy look today. And like that. For like my everyday makeup, I usually like to stay in like a bronzy brown taupe nude colorway. If I'm feeling real spicy, I might go more into like orangey tones. I am not an eyeliner pro. I do not know how to do eyeliner very well. So I actually like to do my eyeliner with eyeshadow. So I take this little thin brush right here, and I'm gonna go in with Ashes. I'm gonna go into my favorite, which is blush. I have 2 blush palettes right here by NARS, so I'm gonna mix the 2. I like to look a little flushed because naturally I'm like very rosy, like I said, so I still kind of like to keep that look a little bit. So I'll kind of like to mix like a lighter pink and more of like an orangey type of blush to kind of get that look. To use this brush and just make sure there's no harsh lines anywhere. Next, we're gonna go into lips. So this is currently my favorite lip liner. It is from Patrick Ta. I have this Pat McGrath lip gloss. Mama Pat is my all-time makeup beauty inspiration. I love her. She taught me so much. She was the first person I worked with in the beauty industry. There's definitely a lack of Black women in the beauty space and in the skincare space, so she definitely inspired me to create my own brand, just seeing how successful she's been, and just like, look at the color, look at the finish, love it. So next, I'm gonna set my face again with this Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Last but not least, because we know how much I love to be dewy and glowy and radiant, Tom Ford highlighting powder. Clearly it is very used. I use it every day. This is the only highlighter that I like to use. So I take this little brush and I mix the two like this. My little secret. This Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Sets. And then I tap my highlight. And like, it just really gives it an extra glow. And we are done.
And that is it, you guys. That brings us to the end of following Lori Harvey's tutorial. And this is the final product. This is the finished look. Yes, I'm so excited. It looks super beautiful. It's perfect. I feel like I nailed it. Honestly, this is one of my favorite tutorials to follow. I really enjoyed it. I do have a playlist following various people's tutorials, so check it out in the cards. Definitely check it out. This one thus far is the favorite tutorial to follow. It's such a breath of fresh air, effortless tutorial kind of look, and also I can't help but love it even more because I definitely nailed it. Like, do I not look like Lori Harvey? Do I not? I'm just playing, but guys, I enjoyed this tutorial so much. I definitely love the look. I feel like as I was doing it, so there's areas like eyebrows where, you know, we do them differently, and then also the blush was like overly done in a way that I was just like, is this gonna look okay on me? And then also the highlighter was also kind of placed in a way that I usually don't do it. But in the end, guys, like in the end, I was like, that girl knows what she's doing, because like if somebody else can take what you usually do for yourself and then do it on them and then it still works out, I'm so happy that it worked out. Like, I'm honestly actually so happy, and I love this. It's so effortless, so easy, so fresh, so kind of natural-ish. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Did you enjoy this video? Did you enjoy watching me follow Lori Harvey's tutorial? Have you tried a tutorial? And yeah, if you're unsubscribed yet, hit that subscribe button to join the fam, and ring that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, so you do not miss out. And I'll see you guys in my next video.